'63 Dodge pickup. Nut and bolt restoration. Got Ole walls, we called them. In other words, they're fake white walls. My aunt, when I was a little boy, had one just like this. Hers was red, and pretty common in those days. They had black fenders, and hers was red with black fenders in the day. This is a real nice one. Nice inside the bed. I think they must have replaced the bed floor, but it's beautiful in here. They painted the Dodge on the tailgate. I always approve of that. And it's got a back bumper. I doubt if it's correct, but it looks good. Got stock Dodge hubcaps. It's got a squirrel knob, we called them, on the steering wheel. I don't know what the real name for them is, but that's what. That's an ambulance talking to us. It's got some lights on top of the front fenders, turn signals, I assume. I don't know what the heck they are. They're not turn signals because they're down below. And it's got a front bumper. Doesn't look correct to me either, but maybe. And it's got the big Dodge Ram on the hood. That's pretty cool.